Welcome back to our channel, Jumbo Quiz. Get ready for today's squishy showdown with Would You Rather, Real versus Squishy Edition. Get ready to choose between real objects and their squishy versions, across 40 fun rounds. Before starting, please subscribe to the Jumbo Quiz channel for more exciting quizzes. Would you rather have the Honey Hugs Bear squishy version or a real Honey Hugs Bear? Cheesecake squishy or Japanese cheesecake? What's your choice? Marshmallow squishy or marshmallow? Goldfish squishy or goldfish? What's your choice? Pizza squishy or real pizza? Choose one. Which one do you prefer? Polar bear squishy or polar bear? Donut squishy or donut? What's your choice? Octopus squishy or octopus? What's your pick? Which one do you prefer? Dango squishy or dango? Egg tart squishy or egg tart? Choose your favorite. Which one do you prefer? Mochi squishy or mochi? Gumdrop squishy or gumdrop? What's your pick? Peanut squishy or real peanut? Which one? Would you rather have cactus squishy or cactus? Squishy Tetris or real Tetris? Which one? Would you rather have watermelon squishy or watermelon tet? Time to choose. Puppy squishy or puppy? Which one do you prefer? Croissant squishy or a croissant? Which one would you rather have? Strawberry squishy or strawberry? Taco squishy or taco? Which one do you prefer? Time to choose. Corn squishy or corn? Which one do you prefer? Crunchy stress ball or ball? Which one do you prefer? Cat taba squishy or cat? Honey cake squishy or a real honey cake? Capybara squishy or capybara? Carrot squishy or carrot? Which one wins? Burger squishy or burger? Which one wins? Gummy pickle or pickle? Pick one. Building block squishy or building block? Would you rather have axolotl squishy or axolotl? Banana squishy or banana? Only one. Cheese squishy or cheese? Only one. Would you grab the squishy water bottle or the real water bottle? A cat paw squishy or a real cat paw? What's your vote? Would you rather have a Nido nice cube or an ice cube? Glitter dumpling or dumpling? Make your pick. Would you rather have chick squishy or chick stew? Which one do you prefer? Butter squishy or butter? Are you on Team Oreo squishy or Team Oreo? Pick your winner. Apple squishy or apple? What's your choice? Pick your next challenge, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Jumbo Quiz for more fun quizzes.